Quick-release variable temperature probe releases quickly for serving and cleaning. Non-stick coated surface. Easy-to-use dial control can be turned low for a keep warm setting. Tempered glass lid allows you to view cooking progress. Product description: Black Decker Skillet features a large cooking area and deep interior for healthy cooking for the whole family. Go from kitchen to dinner table with the quick-release variable temperature control and cool touch handles, perfect for table serving. Excess fat is removed with the pan tilt leg to move oil and fats away from whatever you're cooking. Features include a 12 by 15 cooking surface with durable nonstick coating for easy cleanup, removable variable temperature control ranges from keep warm to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe base, cool touch base with serving handles, tempered glass lid. Brand: Story by BLACK+DECKER. Top reviews from the United States. Extremely usable, durable. I have previously owned this product in the smaller size and it lasted about 7 years. So, when it was time to buy another one, it was available in the larger 15 inches size. To my pleasant surprise, this larger size was even more handy than the previous one I had. It heats up food very quickly and the temperature control automatically adjusts once you set the desired temperature range you prefer on the control knob. This is a solid and very well built piece and it's going to last you many years. I live by myself in a room and I don't have a stove, so this skillet comes in very handy when I get home late from work. It's also very easy to clean. Black Decker is a well-known brand that has been around for decades.